Okay, this is my 1997 Honda CRV, first gen. I am gutting it and making it become the ultimate camper, daily driver, overall vehicle for myself. It's been nice to work on because it's very easy to work on. So let's go around. So far, I've taken out the seats, a little messy. I've taken out the seats. I've completely gutted it. I'm working on this headliner right now. I don't want any smells from 1997 in my vehicles. Oh, that's a long time ago, close to my age. And I just want this gutted completely. I'm gonna record what I can. I'm not gonna record everything because it's just a lot. But I'm gonna record what I can. I plan on blacking out this entire interior. I don't know how. I'm gonna figure it out, but that's the plan. So right now, I'm taking out the headliner. We'll get a little bit of footage of that. And then after I got the headliner, I'm going to be cleaning the floors, and I'm going to be lining it with my sound deadening material to just make it like a little more better sound wise. And that'll be the project for today. Today's final. Got this part laid down, didn't roll it yet. I got everything out. I just got to clean up, do a lot of cleaning. Just a lot of weird smells in here, and I'm trying to figure out where that smell is coming from. But yeah, I got this done today. I got this gutted out. I just have to get these out, and I have to undo that to do that. So I'll do that tomorrow. We'll get in here, we'll line this up. We'll try to finish the line job tomorrow. It's not gonna be, it's not gonna be perfect, but this is good for now. And come up with a plan to paint. I'm still trying to get out the smell, the older smell. It ain't gonna be perfect. I have my retainers in, excuse me. But that's what I'm about to do, clean it out. I'm gonna steam the doors, turn on the steamer. Oh, let me plug it in. Get the steamer going. I'm putting on a time lapse. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up and then finish up here and clean up all the dust over here. See, it's dust. I just got done cleaning in here. A lot of dust and dirt. I'm trying to find rid of the smell. Then with the water sitting here, so I know there's gonna be a leak somewhere. Possibly somewhere in here, maybe here. I don't know. Anywho, I cleaned up here real good. Cleaned in here real good. I'm gonna let this dry a bit, and then I'm gonna line up this whole thing, and then now we're gonna go put liner here. Once this dries, we'll put liner here and we'll screw everything back in. Okay, so this side is done. This side is done. All right, this side is done. And we're about to work on the back. I'm gonna do this entire back and it should be essentially done. And then I'm gonna do the roof another time, not right now. We're gonna get this situated first. All right, just finished the back. We're gonna call it for today and put some of the stuff back together. This is already covered, so I feel it's unnecessary to cover it again. But it all looks good. I'm gonna put everything back and steam some more of the car.